Are you an entrepreneur who does not know who your customers are, what their characteristics are, which businesses to sell, what type of businesses to market to? The answer is Ideal Customer Profile activity. Hi, this is Bimlesh Gundrao, partner and co-founder at Foundership HQ. We enable startups accelerate their growth with coaching, capital, and connect. So today I'm going to talk to you about why an ideal customer profile as an activity is very critical for early stage founders to do this as a continuous activity. When you look at your customers, each one of your customers in a B2B environment have certain characteristics, right? So they could be small businesses, they could be micro businesses, they could be medium businesses, they could be large enterprises. Now, who do you sell to? Who has the ability to make a sale transaction much faster and better? Now, this is your quest as a startup to find out the characteristics of your ideal customers for whom there is a strong need, they have the ability to pay, and they have a pain that is really solved with your product. Now, there are two parts to an ideal customer profile. One is the demographics part of it, which is predominantly like revenue, location, static information such as employee size, the number of headcount in each department, the locations that they serve their customers, the industry that they belong to. The second part of an ideal customer profile, which is very critical, is the timing or the trigger in which companies will now be able to explore options and be willing to pay for a certain product. Now, this timing is very important for a sales life cycle for a founder to understand. But the moment you start putting down some of these triggers as to what will be the trigger in an organization for them to start looking at different products, to deploy within their organization, it will help you and your sales team to be much better equipped to navigate through that sales journey. If you're a B2C company, your ideal customer profile and your buyer persona are pretty much the same. You look at not only external characteristics, but also you look at individual characteristics of the likes and dislikes, college, the work habits, the age, and certain other demographics as well. So ideal customer profile, nailing it down, getting it right, helps you to execute your marketing strategies faster and help you to achieve a definite path to growth.